Today I will talk about fuzzy mathematics. In fuzzy mathematics, I will have three lectures. First one, I will give introduction to fuzzy sets and fuzzy numbers. Then I'll talk about fuzzy logic. And finally, I will talk about multi-criteria decision making using fuzzy mathematics. I also have one lecture in machine learning on fuzzy C-mean clusters. So that is the utilization of fuzzy mathematics. So this is my introductory lecture. I will talk about fuzzy sets, then I'll talk about triangular fuzzy numbers, then I'll give an example of Python code. In fuzzy set theory, classical bivalued sets are usually called as crisp sets, and its members are crisped numbers. Fuzzy set theory is useful when there is incomplete or imprecise information, as we will see later and in my subsequent lectures. Fuzzy sets were introduced by Lothby in 1965. Let us say if capital X is a universe of discourse and small x be any particular element of capital X, then the fuzzy set A, as defined on universe of discourse X, is a collection of ordered pairs small x and its membership function. So it has these membership functions of each corresponding small x, where this is membership function and the membership function is valued in the real with interval between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. Height of a fuzzy set A is given as maximum of the membership functions for all x in X. A fuzzy set is normalized if its height is 1, and fuzzy set can be normalized by dividing membership function with height of the fuzzy set. These are the operations on fuzzy set. First of all, union operation. This is the maximum of the membership of two fuzzy sets on same set of x in same universe of discourse. And intersection is given by minimum of the membership functions. Complement is given by 1 minus membership function for all x in X. And two sets are equal if their membership functions are equal for all x in X. So this is the illustration of the union function. If let us say we have these two fuzzy sets, then their union is maximum of the membership function, whereas intersection is the minimum of the membership function, that is this. Now a little bit about triangular fuzzy numbers. A triplet A, B, and C is known as triangular fuzzy number, where A is the smallest possible value, B is the most probable value, and C is the largest possible value of any fuzzy set. And its membership function is defined as 0 when x is less than A, x minus A divided by B minus A when x is between A and B, and C minus x divided by C minus B when x is between B and C, and 0 when x is more than C. This will be clear in the diagram. So this is our diagram. This is the membership function. So the first, in this interval, membership function is positive, and in this interval, membership function is negative. And this is the height, that is maximum of the membership function. So since it is like a triangle, it is known as triangular fuzzy number. Properties of triangular fuzzy number. Fuzzy numbers are closed with respect to addition and subtraction. That is, addition and subtraction results in another fuzzy number. However, the addition and subtraction are not reciprocal. Fuzzy numbers are not closed with respect to multiplication and division. That is, division and multiplication of two fuzzy numbers may or may not result in a fuzzy number. Multiplication and division are also not reciprocal to each other. So if there are these two fuzzy numbers, triangular fuzzy numbers, then addition is defined as this, subtraction is defined as this, and this is symmetric image. Multiplication is defined as this, and division is defined as this. It is noteworthy that the first, this element of triangular fuzzy number is the lowest element, and the last element is the highest or the maximum element. Then normalized positive triangular fuzzy number is when the smallest element is more than 0 and the largest element is less than or equal to 1. Distance between two triangular fuzzy number. This is important in fuzzy logic and other utilities of fuzzy sets. Distance between A and B, two triangular fuzzy numbers, is square root of the average of squares of the elements. I am sorry, this is A1 minus B1, this is A2 minus B2, and this is A3 minus B3. Since the conventional multiplication and division are not closed and they are not reciprocal, there are new operations defined by various authors, especially for utilization of fuzzy sets in various mathematical operations like linear programming, etc. Then Python codes. I will describe the utilization of package PyFDM, and this is the import of various libraries. So these are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations of triangular fuzzy number. They are defined as these. These are the results. Then this is about calculating the membership degree. So if this is a triangular fuzzy number and this value, which is in between these, what is the membership function of 2.5 with respect to this triangular fuzzy number? Answer is 0.5. If we have a series of values like this array, and these numbers are also well within the confine of this triangular fuzzy number. So what are the membership of these elements or values? So these are the membership functions of these values. Then comparing the triangular fuzzy number values. If these are two triangular fuzzy numbers, then are they equal? Yes, they are equal. If there are these two triangular fuzzy numbers and one of the number is included in this other number, so this is the code for it and it is true here. Now we have S norm and T norm. The S norm is for OR operation and T norm is for AND operation. So if there are these two numbers, this is the result of S norm. That is the OR operation between these two numbers. And if there are these two numbers, triangular fuzzy numbers, this is the T norm or AND operation between these two numbers. So these are the results. Then this is the graphical representation of a triangular fuzzy number. These are the elements 2, 4, and 6. This is the membership function of an element 3 within this fuzzy number 2, 4, 6. This is a triangular fuzzy number and we want membership of the element 3. So this is the element 3 and its membership is this. Then This is the S norm or operation. So these are three triangular fuzzy numbers, and OR operation, including these three, is the this dashed portion of the graph, or the thick portion. Similarly, this is AND operation between these three. These are three fuzzy numbers, and this is the AND operation between these three. Then trapezoidal fuzzy number. This is another uh, type of fuzzy number. First one we have seen triangular fuzzy number. This is another one, trapezoidal fuzzy number. These are easy way to describe a fuzzy set and fuzzy numbers useful for various operations. So I will not describe in detail, but we can use the SK fuzzy library, which is part of scikit library, and for the trapezoidal fuzzy numbers. So the viewers are referred to the documentation of SK fuzzy library. This is all for today. Thank you very much.